Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to temporarily deactivate your Instagram account. So if you want to take a break, I will show you how you can do it in the app itself. However, I walk you through the steps that keep changing exactly where it is. First of all, open up the Instagram application in your mobile. Tap on the profile picture in the bottom right. Now tap on these three bars in the top right corner and you will land on settings and privacy. The key here is that Instagram constantly changes where that deactivate button is. However, the nice thing is that at the very top is a search button, so we can just hit search and we are going to search for deactivate. And as you can see this deactivation and deletion, tap on it. It will automatically directly take you to the deactivation page. No matter where they put it, if they change it, rearrange it, it will always find exactly where that button is. So let's go to Instagram here and then we want to deactivate. Let's say continue. Now it will ask you to enter your password. Just use your password here. Now here you have to choose a reason. It doesn't really matter. Let's say this, just need a break. Tap on continue and then it will give you the ability to log out instead. So as you can see, you're about to temporarily deactivate your account. You can reactivate your account at any time through account center or by logging into your Instagram account. And now when you tap on this deactivate account, this will temporarily deactivate your account. If you wanted to get back, basically to recover and restore your account, all you need to do is go to the app, the Instagram app, or to the website instagram.com and log into your account, and that will automatically reactivate your account. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.